so I'm 3 likes and a highlight comment. Because I said, what the flip was that tit battle? She looked like something off of Jurassic World Live. That's amazing. Happy National Coffee Day, everyone. It's National Coffee Day. Why am I all in the back of the classroom? That sucks. Happy National Coffee Day, everyone. And I'm invisible. I'm a ghost. No, I'm not. I wish. How much do you? It's great. I hear it. Why is it so low volume? Oh, I think that's the problem. Anyway, so what is up, guys? And today is Jordan Reckon. Today we are playing some more Field Trip Z. And I would like to wish you all a happy National Coffee Day. Today is officially a National Coffee Day. There's no cue right there, of course. Anyway, it's Coffee Day today, and I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Wish everyone luck out there. In the class. And then I'm just gonna go to class. We're going to class. It's time for the first class. I'm stuck in loading. What the fuck? I'm stuck with loading. I gotta find the blue key. Alright, so I'm gonna get to class. Get to class. I'll get to class when I'm ready to go to class. I'm skipping school today. Nope. I'm skipping school today. Bye. Now for everyone in class, I say. Homework. I'm gonna fish. Let's get this letter real quick. Quiet letter. There we go. We got so many things already. I'm excited. I own the blue lock. Quiet letter. I'm all the way in the back of the class. Hey, how'd you get in here? I didn't. You see what this burger? I can't sit up. There we go. Coming in is really off today. Alright, well, you can have it feel this all right. All you have to do is put it in the backpacks. Calm pace, keep alive. My motivation. Please find your science students. I got fish. I got med kits, bandages, donuts, fish, homework, and a letter. I need to deliver the letter, the homework. Hi. She said hi. Hi. Just so random. Hi. I think I've officially burned out my speaker. I can't replace that, unfortunately. That speaker is irreplaceable. The reason why is because I can't get it, because I earned that at school. I got the speaker at school. I got a drawing at school. That's where I won my speaker at. So back in summer school. So you guys know how I'm sometimes talking about summer school? Well, that's where I won the speaker at the end. Well, one time it was in summer school, I earned the speaker. So, I'm just like playing. This usually gone. It was like it was at lunchtime every Friday at lunch. They would, but except for one Wednesday, because it was the last day, since it was Wednesday on the last day, they had a drawing on Wednesday because it was the last day of school. Yeah, they had a drawing every week, and they used Scott Bucks to do the drawing. Things like Scott Bucks, you write your name, first name and last name on it, and if your name was pulled out of the drawing, they would call out your name, and whenever prize was on the table, you could choose a prize. Dude, if I were to sit down, I'm gonna just if you wanna know who did it, If you wanna know who did it, it was me. Yep, it truly was me. Anything else to come ride? Nope. No buckets or anything. That actually kind of stinks. So I'm gonna go over the homework. Due to some unforeseen circumstances on the line. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So yesterday I got vaccinated. Yeah, so I'll probably be buying some Robux. You might see an unboxing MLPG5 unboxing video. Because when I'm fully vaccinated, fully vaccinated people are getting $50 e-gift cards. I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah, $50 e-gift cards going free. Everyone who gets vaccinated gets free e-gift gets a free. Everyone who's fully vaccinated gets a free $50 e-gift card. Alright, tweet, thanks a lot. Here's a one-of-a-kind your slingshot. Go get hurt. I will not follow you. I will follow your directions and I will go get hurt. Ouch. I got hurt with a bucket. Even though the bucket didn't work. Thank you. I'm surprised. Let's take a burger. Hey, old lady, open up. I'm starving. Thanks for delivering that letter. Oh, here, take this burger. Here, I got a Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Ouch. My Whopper's on the cloth floor. Janitor, I totally did not drop the Whopper on the floor. Thank you. Has every key. I'm gonna tell the game glitched, like the whole game just completely glitched though. Hey, my bucket! How dare you steal my bucket? Give me my bucket. Get out of my bucket. Get out. Some girl just stole my bucket. I'm gonna just take her with me. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just taking her class with me. Come on, we're going to class. Let's just take this girl to class. I can push her around now. Let's push her to class with me. Oops. This is clearly gonna take a while. I'm going to history class, you know. Going to history. We're going to history. This school's so tall. So anyone who's vaccinated will get a free $50 e-gift card. So I'm gonna probably just go out and buy. When parents ask for half my money, so I'll probably just buy. So you'll probably see with me some little Robux. That's MLP device. It just depends how much my e-gift card is worth. Well, it depends. It will depend on how much MLPG5 stuff I can get. It will depend on what MLPG5 item I get. And it will also depend on how much I get. So, yeah. First, I'm going with the MLPG5 thing. Burn on bugs. But it's probably just going to be able to ask me anything supposed to be. After so long, I just get tired of using that thing. It just gets me that after so long, I don't no longer use it. It's kind of like my chest. I kind of like my chest. I'm going to start with the history. Ask me anything Felicity, I haven't used her in like months, actually. It's been about over 3 months that I've used her. Or I don't use it all the way anymore, like I've said. Alright, watch this. So you want to watch this. Watch what I can do with the brains. It's like, right, here we go. Is this incredible or what, guys? Check it out. Is that incredible or what? Check it out. How cool is that? Did you not? What's that outside the window? I got a fish and a slingshot. Oh, so every time I have this fish, I also have the slingshot and the antidote. Yeah, that's so many items. This is incredible. That's weird. Blinds turned off. Ah. Ow. Notification. My body's Indiana Boyd, 14, and all time after days. Knock knock. Who's there? Oh, someone's at the door. Someone's at the door too. Run away, but we're running in circles. Run away, I'm there with this circle. I'm waiting on you. Yeah, you're all gonna die. Quickly get up here, or else you're gonna. Nope, someone's dead. I don't have time to heal him. I can't put on their life. And 2 people are dead, I can't. Good thing everyone gets an extra life, though, because I would not really do it. 2 people died, and I only have 1 anyway, I can't. Look at that. Boogie Baby Genius, like, I thought he was dead. I'm pretty sure that dude's dead, though. Zombies don't exist, stupid. Oh, he's dead. Didn't he die? Listen. It's fine. Don't worry, I'll help you. I found a screwdriver. Cool. I found it. Good job. Okay. No one saw that. No one's even involved. Guys, let me just stand right here. Oh, it's easier. No one saw the end of it. you know what to do with that? Do you know what to do with that exactly? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I know who this is. Oh my god, is that... No. Is that a YouTuber? I think I've seen her before. Maybe it is. Hang on. I don't know, but I think that's a YouTuber. I don't know if her name's like GameTube or something. I think that's GameTube. Oh man, I swear to God, that's GameTube. GameTube, is that you? GameTube, is that you? I'm gonna just put GameTube, is that you? Because it looks exactly like GameTube. Oh, she's right there. Oh, she went up there. Oh, right, she doesn't speak English, I forgot. Unfortunately, she speaks Spanish. She speaks Spanish, I forgot. I need some... I need, like that. Okay. Right, he's my Google Assistant. What's it? I'm barging in. You're not gonna... I think that is the... Yeah, I'm not. I'm just jumping on that chair. So if I hold my home button, I can get my Google Assistant activated. Watch. Then I can use my Google Assistant. Hi. Hello, Google. Alright, so I gotta Google. GameTube is still here. Is everyone okay? We all got medkits and stuff. We all have medkits. Yeah, that must be GameTube though. Where is she? Oh my god! GameTube, you just scared me. And you better check out her channel. You should check out her channel. I'll subscribe to her so you can check it out. Because if you just search it, you're not going to find her channel or anything. But I think that is GameTube. I think that's GameTube. Oh, gotta go.